Hello, and welcome everyone. Today, we are going to explore the important topic of saving money and building wealth. Financial well-being is a crucial aspect of our lives, and it's something we all strive for. By understanding the benefits of saving and investing, we can take control of our finances and work towards a secure and prosperous future. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, before you get carried away by the video, immediately subscribe the channel and like the video. Our video can sometimes be a little long, because we never compromise on the video and the content of topic. Tip 1. Set clear financial goals. Setting specific and achievable financial goals is significant for several reasons. Here's why. Clarity and focus. Setting specific financial goals provides clarity about what you want to achieve. It helps you identify and prioritize your objectives, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or paying off debt. When your goals are clear, it becomes easier to create a roadmap towards achieving them. Motivation and direction. Well-defined financial goals give you something to work towards and motivate you to take the necessary actions. They provide a sense of purpose and direction, making it easier to stay focused on your financial journey. Without clear goals, it's easy to drift aimlessly and struggle with financial decisions. Measurable progress. Specific goals allow you to measure your progress effectively. When you set targets with measurable outcomes, such as saving a certain amount each month or reducing your debt by a specific percentage, you can track your progress over time. Measuring your progress keeps you accountable and helps you stay on track. Achievability and realism. Setting achievable financial goals ensures that they are within your reach. It's essential to consider your current financial situation, income, expenses, and timeframes when setting goals. Realistic goals increase your confidence in achieving them and prevent disappointment or frustration along the way. Short-term and long-term goals are both important for effective financial planning. Here's why. Short-term goals. Short-term goals typically cover a period of 1 year or less. They focus on immediate financial priorities and help you address pressing needs or upcoming expenses. Short-term goals could include building an emergency fund, paying off high-interest debt, or saving for a specific purchase. By achieving short-term goals, you build momentum and create a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Long-term goals. Long-term goals have a broader time horizon, usually spanning several years or decades. These goals often involve significant milestones like retirement planning, buying a home, or funding your children's education. Long-term goals require consistent effort, disciplined saving, and strategic investments. Planning for the future helps you prepare for major life events and ensures financial security down the line. Tip 2. Create a budget. Budgeting plays a vital role in managing expenses effectively. Here's why it's important and some practical tips for creating a budget. Expense awareness. Budgeting helps you become aware of your income and expenses. By tracking your spending habits, you can identify areas where you may be overspending or wasting money. This awareness allows you to make conscious decisions about your spending and prioritize your financial goals. Financial control. Creating a budget gives you control over your finances. It helps you allocate your income wisely, ensuring that you cover essential expenses while saving for the future. With a budget, you can avoid unnecessary debt and make informed choices about how you use your money. Goal alignment. Budgeting ensures that your spending aligns with your financial goals. It enables you to allocate funds towards savings, investments, and other priorities. By having a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can make adjustments to your budget to support your goals effectively. Practical tips for creating a budget and tracking spending. A. Track your income and expenses. Start by recording all your income sources and tracking your expenses. Use tools like budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or online banking tools to simplify the process. 2. Categorize your expenses. Group your expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, food, utilities, entertainment, and savings. This breakdown allows you to identify areas where you can potentially reduce spending. C. Set spending limits. Determine how much you want to allocate to each expense category based on your financial goals. Be realistic. Tip 3. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Identifying and cutting down unnecessary expenses is a crucial step in managing personal finances. Here are some strategies to help you identify and reduce unnecessary expenses. Track and analyze your spending. Start by tracking all your expenses for a month or two. Categorize them into essential and non-essential expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize your needs. Differentiate between needs and wants. Focus on fulfilling your essential needs first, and then allocate a portion of your income towards discretionary spending. By prioritizing your needs, you can avoid impulsive purchases and unnecessary expenses. Create a budget. Develop a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Allocate specific amounts to different expense categories and stick to them. Budgeting allows you to plan your spending and ensures you don't overspend in areas that are not essential. Eliminate or reduce subscriptions. Evaluate your subscription services such as streaming platforms, gym memberships, or magazine subscriptions. Consider canceling those you no longer use or reducing the number of services you subscribe to. This can help you save a significant amount over time. Cut down on dining out and entertainment. Eating out and entertainment expenses can quickly add up. Instead of dining out frequently, try cooking at home and hosting gatherings. Look for free or low-cost entertainment options like parks, libraries, or community events. Tip 4. Automate savings. Automating savings is a powerful technique to help you save consistently without relying on willpower alone. Here's how you can automate your savings. Direct deposit. Arrange with your employer to automatically deposit a portion of your paycheck directly into your savings account. This ensures that a portion of your earnings goes towards savings before you have a chance to spend it. Automatic transfers. Set up recurring automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Choose a specific amount or a percentage of your income to transfer regularly. This way, you'll consistently contribute to your savings without having to remember to do it manually. Roundup apps. Many financial institutions and apps offer roundup features where they round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference into your savings account. It's a convenient way to save small amounts that accumulate over time. Automating savings has several benefits. Consistency. By automating your savings, you remove the temptation to spend the money before saving it. It helps you develop a consistent saving habit. Goal-oriented saving. You can allocate automated savings towards specific goals, such as an emergency fund, a down payment for a house, or a vacation. Reduced effort and decision-making. Automating savings eliminates the need to manually transfer money to your savings account, making it a hassle-free process. Tip 5. Pay off high-interest debt. Paying off high-interest debt is crucial for long-term financial well-being. Here are some strategies to help you tackle high-interest debt. Debt snowball method. This strategy involves paying off your debt starting with the smallest balance first while making minimum payments on other debts. As you pay off each debt, you gain momentum and motivation to tackle the next one. This method focuses on the psychological benefits of quick wins. Debt avalanche method. With this approach, you prioritize debt repayment based on the interest rates. Start by paying off the debt with the highest interest rate while making minimum payments on other debts. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, move on to the next highest. This method minimizes the total interest paid over time. Balance transfer or consolidation. Consider transferring high-interest credit card balances to cards with lower interest rates. Tip 6. Maximize retirement contributions. Saving for retirement and taking advantage of employer-matched contributions is highly significant in building long-term wealth and securing a comfortable future. Here are some tips to maximize retirement contributions. If your employer offers a 401 plan, contribute the maximum amount allowed, especially if they match a portion of your contributions. Employer matches are essentially free money that boosts your retirement savings. Additionally, consider contributing to an individual retirement account to further maximize your savings potential. Take advantage of matching contributions. Determine the matching policy of your employer's retirement plan. Some companies match a certain percentage of your contributions, while others may have a dollar-for-dollar match. Aim to contribute enough to receive the full matching amount, as it effectively doubles your money. Consider bonus timing. If you expect to receive a bonus early in the year and your retirement contributions are deducted from it, adjusting the percentage you contribute beforehand can ensure you spread out your contributions evenly throughout the year. This strategy allows you to maximize your employer's matching contributions. Tip 7. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is crucial for unexpected expenses and financial stability. Consider the following. Importance of an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing funds to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. It prevents individuals from going into debt or tapping into their retirement savings during emergencies. Recommended savings amount. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Calculate your essential expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and debt payments, and save an amount that would cover these costs for the recommended period. Strategies for building an emergency fund. Start by setting a monthly savings goal and create a budget to identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Consider automating regular contributions to your emergency fund to make saving a habit. You can also explore high-yield savings accounts or money market accounts that offer competitive interest rates while keeping your funds easily accessible. Tip 8. Explore passive income opportunities. Passive income plays a significant role in building wealth over time. Here's what you need to know. Understanding passive income. Passive income refers to earnings generated from investments or ventures that require minimal ongoing effort or active participation. It provides a steady stream of income that can supplement your primary earnings. Examples of passive income sources: rental properties, dividend investing, peer-to-peer lending, royalties from creative works, and real estate investment trusts are examples of passive income sources. These investments can generate regular income without requiring daily active involvement. Tip 9. Invest wisely. Investing is a crucial component of building long-term wealth. Consider the following basics of investing. Educate yourself about different investment options, including stocks, bonds, index funds, and real estate. Understand the risks and potential returns associated with each investment type. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Allocate your investments across different asset classes and sectors to reduce vulnerability to market fluctuations. Consider professional advice. If you're unsure about investing, seek guidance from a financial advisor or investment professional. They can help you develop a personalized investment strategy based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Tip 10. Continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy and continuous learning are crucial for improving your financial well-being and building wealth. By staying informed and expanding your knowledge, you can make more informed financial decisions and take control of your financial future. Explore online resources. Take advantage of the numerous online platforms that offer financial education resources. Read books. Books are an excellent way to delve deeper into financial topics. Consider reading titles such as Personal Finance for Dummies by Eric Tyson, which covers budgeting, investing, insurance, and tax legislation. Another recommended book is Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Domings, which explores the financial independence and retire early movement. Attend presentations and workshops. Keep an eye out for presentations or workshops hosted by local financial professionals, libraries, or civic centers. These events often cater to novice investors and can provide valuable insights and guidance. Seek financial education opportunities. Many financial professionals and firms offer financial education programs or courses. These opportunities can provide in-depth knowledge and practical skills to help you navigate the complex world of finance. Taking action and implementing these tips can have a profound impact on your financial well-being. Remember, financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and by continuously educating yourself, you empower yourself to make informed financial decisions and achieve your long-term goals. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on personal finance and wealth building.